Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting water and relieving pressure, because forcing the fitting under pressure risks more damage. Once done, spray penetrating oil on the broken thread and let it soak for 5–10 minutes to loosen corrosion. Now use an adjustable wrench to remove any remaining fitting pieces you can turn. Make sure to protect the sink with a towel so you do not scratch finishes. Finally, inspect the exposed stub and photograph orientation so you remember reassembly order. Once the area is prepped, center drill the broken stud to provide a pilot hole. This helps the extractor bite straight. After drilling, insert a left-hand screw extractor and turn counterclockwise with steady pressure. This removes the stud while often loosening it. Make sure to apply cutting oil as you work to reduce heat and galling. If the extractor slips, stop and reassess. You may need to drill larger and switch to vise grips, or weld a nut onto the stub for mechanical leverage before backing it out. After the broken piece is out, clean metal filings and use a thread chaser or correct size tap to restore threads. Go slowly and back out frequently to clear chips. Once threads are sound, apply thread sealant or tape as specified and install the replacement stud or faucet component. Make sure it threads smoothly to avoid cross-threading. Finally, turn the water back on slowly and test under low pressure while watching for leaks. If you see seepage, snug fittings incrementally and recheck torque specs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.